All right, guys, Jeff here, just going to be pulling this string. I got to pull some wire to run this septic pump and switch an alarm and all that. So I'm just going to use the old bag on the end of the string trick, stuff that down in the wire, and then I got my handy dandy. And just if you were wondering, it is cold, about 15 degrees here in western Montana, but I've got my trusty shop vac right there, and we'll see if we can't get enough suction on this. Pull that through. Let's see. I got it. You know, 1 in a million. Look at that. You couldn't have done that if you tried. It caught on the end of a piece of conduit. So let's just go ahead and give this a shot. Try to pull that through there. And now we'll go. Turn that on. Should be pulling that through. There we go. Feeding it through there. No problem. You can kind of see it end, and it feels like it's bottomed out there, so we'll see where we're at. Go from there. Okay, that's what we're looking for, is the old string down the old, so we got it done there. And that ran it underground through several elbows. And so that's exactly what we needed. We got string through several elbows down there ready to pull. So anyway, check it out.